Describe to me what soul food is.
The soul food is when you cook from your heart, from your soul. You gotta feel it. And when you taste it, you wanna make sure it's mellow, a distinctive taste. You just can't throw it together. You gotta cook it with love. You pray over it a little bit. That's what you gotta do.
All right, so now y'all know what soul food is. What are some of the foods that you cook that that you think of as soul food?
Macaroni and cheese, greens, catfish. Sometimes I cook pork chops with gravy and rice. Pinto beans. I got peas, candy yams, oxtail soup. Oh, that is so good. It's really good. Got enough?
Whatever you want. Spaghetti.
Mustacholi. Oh. Well, a lot of people don't know about mustacholi. It's a northern dish. It's like lasagna. And the lasagna is good too. But the mustacholi is very good. Bread pudding. Raisin bread pudding. Lemon cake. Butter cookies. Tea cakes. Oh.
You must be bringing back some good memories.
Salmon croquettes. Everybody loves it for breakfast with biscuits. That's good. That's good.